जय जगन्नाथ फ्रेंड्स। काली SSB ओडिशा रो UPSC फ्री सिविल सर्विस कोचिंग एंट्रांस टेस्ट थिला। तार सेक्शन बी मैथ क्वेश्चन रो आंसर गुडी को प्रोवाइड करिया को बहुत जण रिक्वेस्ट करथिले, तो सेति पई आज एई वीडियो रे हमें सेक्शन बी रो आंसर डिस्कस करिबा। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 51। A heavy unseasonal downpour during the last 2 days has paralyzed the normal life in the state, in which 5 persons were killed, but this has provided a huge relief to the problem of acute water crisis in the state. The answer will be option B. 1 and 3 will be the correct answer. 1 and 3. So question number 52. Many political activists have decided to stage demonstrations and block traffic movement in the city during peak hours to protest against the steep rise in prices of essential commodities. The answer will be option D, second statement and third statement. Okay, answer will be option D, D for dog. 53. The school dropout rate in many districts in the state has increased sharply during the last few years, as the parents of these children make them work in the fields owned by others to earn enough for them to get at least one meal a day. The answer will be option A, one only. So question number 54, the answer will be option A, 53. Okay. Question number 54, the answer will be option D, apologize and fix up the bug for all customers even if it has to incur losses. Okay. So question number 55, the answer will be option A, the taxi owners who clear comfort inspection can charge higher rentals from the drivers, and drivers with impeccable safety record which charge the same from customers. Okay. Question number 56, the answer will be option D, personal biases. Okay. Question number 57, what is not an assumption underpinning the rational decision making model? The answer will be option A, incomplete information. Okay. Question number 58, the answer will be option C, 1 and 3, unsupporting environment and ineffective communication. Okay. So question number 59, arrange the stages of the problem solving process in the correct order. That will be option B. The correct answer will be option B, first, then fourth, then second, then third. Okay. Answer 59. Question number 60, the answer will be option D, 95. Question number 61, the answer will be yes. So question number 62, what does brainstorming involve in the context of a problem solving? The answer will be generating variety of ideas. Option C, generating variety of ideas. 63, question number 63, how many times greater is the value? Then the answer will be option B, 100 times exactly. Okay. If you measure the place value, then you can get the answer easily. Okay. 64, the answer will be 160. 64, in a college there are 3 streams. The question 64, the answer will be 160 number of students in science stream. Question number 65. Prashant is older than Srikanth by 2 years. After 6 years, their age will be 4 times higher than their current age. So the answer will be Prashant's age will be 65, 4 years. 66, the answer will be option number C, 700. Okay. Question number 67. Okay, this one I didn't get the answer. 68. The correct answer will be option A, 47U15. 69. The answer will be option D. D for dog. Okay. 69. The answer will be option D. 70. The answer will be option A. 70. The answer will be option A. Okay. 71. The answer will be option D, 36. 72. The option will be option D. They are situated on the bank of river Yamuna. Question number 73. Which two numbers are to be interchanged in order to make the equation correct? So the correct answer will be option C, 3 and 5. 74. The correct answer will be option A, 11. Question number 75. The correct answer will be option C, 90 kilometer. 76. Statements and conclusions. The correct answer will be option C, both 1 and 2 follows. Question number 77. The correct answer will be option A, 41 kilometer. Question number 78. The blood relation. The 78 correct answer will be option C, niece. 79. Also another blood relation. The correct answer will be option B, B for ball. Okay, option B, son-in-law. Question number 80. Correct answer will be option D, 15 is to 20 is to 24. 81. Question number 81. If Sunday is coded as HFMWZB, the answer will be option C, NLMWZB. Question number 82. The day before yesterday was Thursday. So what will be the day after tomorrow? Answer will be Monday. Option D, Monday. Question number 83. The correct answer will be option A, nation. Okay, if you saw the words which can be formed out of the word corporation, so a nation, the word cannot be formed because there is no double N. Okay, that's why the correct answer will be option A, nation. 84. What is the average of the first 100 natural numbers? That will be option B, 50.5. 84. The correct answer will be 50.5, option B. 85. The correct answer will be option C, 10. 86. The correct answer will be option B, 18x minus 25y equal to 9. 87. What is the highest power of 3 in the prime factorization of 234? Correct answer will be option A, 2. 88. A train runs at a speed of 72 kilometer per hour and crosses a 250 meter platform in 26 seconds, the length of train, the correct answer will be option C, 270 meter. 89, the cost price and selling price question, the correct answer will be option D, option B for ball, 16. The correct answer for question number 89 will be 16. 90, the correct answer will be option D, 27. 91, the fraction will be option B, 12 divided by 25. 92, the sum of numbers will be option A, 39. 93, the areas, the ratio of corresponding heights, the answer will be 9:7. 93, option A, 9:7. 94, the correct answer will be 40%. Option C, 40%. 95, the correct answer will be option A, 11 a.m. Sunday. The last 96, the last day of a century cannot be, answer will be Tuesday. 97, pipes and system math, the answer will be 97, option C. Okay, option C will be the correct answer. 98, monkey, a monkey climbs 12 meter high pole. In his first minute he climbs 2 meter, in the next minute he slips 1 meter down. So the correct answer will be 98, option B, 21 minutes. Okay, if you see the in 2 minutes the monkey was climbing 1 meter, so for 20 minutes he will climb 10 meter, and then in next minute he will climb extra 2 meter. That will be the correct answer, option B, 21 minutes. 99, in what ratio two varieties of sugar of rupees 18 per kg, 20 per kg be mixed together to get a mixture of cost 20 per kg, rupees 20 per kg? The correct answer will be option D, 2:1. In the last question number 100, Ravi can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So his speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current are, the correct answer will be option C. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Also comment your scores so we can guess the cutoff marks. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It's totally free for you. You can give likes for free, you can subscribe for free today. Jai Jagannath.